Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create a function that works across multiple lines in Google Sheets. This is helpful when you're using long or nested formulas. First, click on the cell where you want to enter the function. To add line breaks within the formula box, simply press Ctrl plus Enter on your keyboard on Windows or Command plus Enter on your Mac keyboard. For example, let's use the if function to check if our value is high or low based on whether it is greater than or less than 100. In the cell that you want to put the function in, type equal sign, if, open round bracket, then select the cell you want to examine, then type the greater than sign, 100, then comma. Then click Ctrl plus Enter on your keyboard. This will add a new line. Then, type the open quote, high, close quote, comma. Then, click Ctrl plus Enter again to add a new line. Then, type open quote, low, close quote, then close round bracket. This formula checks if the cell value is greater than 100. If it is, it returns high. Otherwise, it returns low. The line breaks make the formula easier to read and maintain, especially when working with complex logic. Press Enter. So, that is how you create a function for multiple lines in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.